Today, we're exploring different types of compost and when to use them. Composting is an eco-friendly way to enrich your soil and reduce waste. Garden compost. First up, we have garden compost. It's made from a blend of organic materials like leaves, yard waste, and kitchen scraps. Garden compost adds essential nutrients to your soil, improves its structure, and helps retain moisture. Vermicompost. Next on our list is vermicompost, created with the help of worms. Worms break down kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost. Vermicompost is ideal for houseplants, gardens, and organic farming. Manure compost. Manure compost is exactly what it sounds like: compost made from animal manure. It's a source of nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. Use it in vegetable gardens or on crops that benefit from extra nitrogen, like corn and tomatoes. Municipal compost. Municipal compost is processed from collected organic waste by local governments. This compost is great for lawns, flower beds, and general landscaping. Bokashi compost. Now, let's talk about bokashi compost. It's produced through a fermentation process using beneficial microbes. Bokashi is perfect for small spaces and indoor composting. It's an excellent choice for apartment dwellers. Leaf mold. Leaf mold is a compost made primarily from decomposed leaves. It's high in humus content and helps improve soil structure. Use it for acid-loving plants like azaleas or as a mulch. Coffee ground compost. Coffee ground compost is made from used coffee grounds, which are rich in nitrogen. It's great if you're growing acid-loving plants like blueberries. Green and brown compost. Compost mainly consists of plant materials like grass clippings and garden trimmings, providing nitrogen. Brown compost includes dry materials like leaves and paper, which offer carbon. Balance these components for a successful compost pile. Homemade compost. Last but not least, you can always create homemade compost right in your backyard. It's a DIY approach using a mix of kitchen scraps, yard waste, and more. There are many types of compost, each with its own benefits and best uses. Happy composting! Up and subscribe. See you in the next video.